August 17th, 2026, Under the Wings 82. I'm artifying the frame. I'm of the School of No Boring Picture Frames. So, it's a lot of work. Let's see what we got going on here. That's actually the bottom there. Right side, left side. I may put this gray wood molding on top here. That's where the allegorical sea monster is. Sea monster is plural. Here's a Under the Wings 80. Morton Goldstein, a New Jersey-born American GI who was executed at a Nazi concentration death camp where there were a lot of prisoners of war captured at the Battle of the Bulge. So, and on this frame I attached 2 pieces of wood detritus, like pieces of old wood I found on the sidewalk. All right, we're coming along here. Quick glimpse. There it is down there. Oh boy. So, yesterday I did the gluing. Now I'm drilling metal screws in each of the wood pieces there. Keep them from breaking off. Yep. Okay, another glimpse. All right, to be continued. How are we doing, guys? Prime Minister Mas. Oh, nice. Some people have all the luck. You're preening Dr. Chi. Beautiful. Wonderful. Great. So nice to have a companion. Wow. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous.